Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
My people, good afternoon, good morning. Talk as you be. This one BDPA shopping complex where Ogbemude and the rest put for grant. As we talk, so as I reach here this afternoon, me I shock. So some people, they don't enter the shopping complex, they build house put. People get mind, sha. People get mind. I would like make my governor Obaseki made a visit this BDPA shopping complex. This one at the BDPA shopping complex for Ugbowo. People don't enter inside the compound, break the fence, they build house for inside. People get mind though. I don't know who they give them this mind to just take over government property. So my people, now don't say me. And they talk as they be. We no go keep quiet again. Just look. This one at BDPA shopping complex. Somebody don't enter inside. They break the fence for the back. Build house puts. Make una dey look. Make una dey look. So the government must open the file. Make them whoever sell this place, give them. We want know. We want know. We want know. Yeah, they don't build house put for inside the government land. BDPA shopping complex for Ugbowo. Make una see. Make una see how people encroached. Yeah, that one I will tell. One of the sittings. One of the sittings. One of the sittings. That one at the hotel with a beautiful inside BDPA shopping complex. Inside. People get mind, sha. People get mind. People get mind. People get mind. People get mind. Operation recovery. And I don't say me, talk as it be. Anything where they bad, what is not good is bad. Different truths, you know, this friend, but truth that is poor people now for Benin, for Nigeria. So some of us that we don't ready to take the bull by the horn. My people all over the world, this one a BDPA shopping complex. People enter the back, they break the fence, so they build for inside. Our people get mind. And I know see they no go fit enter this place without government official. Which means there is somebody in power when they approve this place, give the person. No. So the Ministry of Town Planning, EDPA, una get question oh. Town Planning una get question. We go question una. Make una say this one a BDPA shopping complex. Where government say they want to renovate. So they don't drive all the people when they come out. They say they want to renovate them. But meanwhile, some people now, they don't enter the back. They break the fence. See house where they build put. What can people get my shower? People get my what can I say? They break the fence. They build this house put for inside the shopping complex. Inside the shopping complex. So my governor Obaseki sir, time don't reach all. The people with the Ministry of Town Planning call them to order immediately. Make them investigate who sell this place. Give the person. Because no honorary person like me no fit come here. So I just see government property. I want you to enter, build house. No, it's not possible. So, make una see this one a BDPA shopping complex. Somebody enter, they break the fence. See the house they don't build for the back. They don't build hotel. You know what I say? All government property, I'm going to move around. I will show people how they encroach. This one a BDPA shopping complex. The state government say they want to renovate town. They want to renovate town. But meanwhile, some people now don't enter inside. They don't enter inside. Break the fence from the back. Build house put, build hotel put. Make una see. Make una see. Make una see. So, all these fights, una no say me, I dey talk am as e dey be. Wetin go move this state forward, me, I ready. So, my governor Obaseki opened the file of EDPA now, housing estate, the shopping complex. The director of housing and planning, they could have called them to order immediately. Ask him wetin he know about this house the hotel where they build for inside BDPA shopping complex, Ugbowo. My people, kuna share. Una share that they take over government property. It's not at the shopping complex. But meanwhile, for the back, some people now, when they say that they get power pass, they don't take over the land, they don't build house, they don't build hotel put. So now me they talk Apostle Alfred. We don't fear anybody face oh. If fear no they catch witch, make you fly for afternoon. Before they say that they cook up, some of us don't go, our papa might be the master of witches and wizards. You know why? The Bible says that Jesus Christ is the Lion of the tribe of Judah. He's the head of all principalities. This is ABDPA Ugbowo shopping complex. This one at the back, people break the fence. Now they build this house put. In fact, the devil build a hotel put. They couldn't see things for themselves. We will no longer keep quiet. All of us, we will join this government to fight evil people for this state. And they can't do us anything. They couldn't share. They break the fence. Now they build this house for inside. They break the fence through the back. Now they build this house for inside the shopping complex. This shopping complex was built by Bermuda then. Abia Ali, I don't remember again. You don't take. I beg, when I make sure this broker read governor hand. I'm not sure say governor don't come here. So quick, make a quick investigate who built this house. But inside BDB shopping complex, the back. They build this house and they build hotel put. I don't show on the hotel. So my people. All right, this one on my face. Don't say me I know they hide my face. Make una share how people come over, enter BDPA shopping complex. I don't know how people get my share. They break the fence, build house, build hotel for inside BDPA shopping complex, Ugbowo. Our people get mind. So, Governor Baseki, investigate it because this person will build this no go fit build down without the approval of the Ministry of Works and Housing, EDPA. So my governor, open the file, make them call the director of planning, make una see how they break into BDPA shopping complex through the back fence, see what they build for inside. They build this house, they build hotel put. 2 buildings inside government property. So my governor, we join you now, Operation Recovery, and we are ready. All the evil for this land, we will expose all of them. So this one on my real face. You know, say we don't fear anybody. This one on our real face. We need to talk for audio. So now be this. Mona share. Make una share. So my people get mind. What is not good is bad. So, my governor, carry your searchlight, come here now. Carry your searchlight, come here now. They say they want to innovate this building now, according to them. Mona share. Now some people come here. They couldn't see. They couldn't see. The government said they want work on this place. The government said they want work on this place. They don't drag the people come out, say they want remodernize this place. Meanwhile, people now don't go the back. They don't build house put. They don't build house put. So my people, I don't play my part. I go continue to play my part. Tell friend truth, you know the spoil friend. But truth not the spoil people for Nigeria. We're ready for all of them. All the people who don't take over government property, they go vomit them. They go vomit them. So when I say this is the shopping complex, the state government say they want to approve, they want to redevelop this place. That what they said. But meanwhile, some persons, some individuals in Nigeria, in Edo State, I don't know who them be, they don't take over the back flats. I mean, the back plot. They don't build house put. So this thing cannot be done without an insider. There's an insider that approves that structure for them. Those of them who never Shamona across cities for themselves. No. Sham, Mona see the house. Mona see the house with a built for side BDP shopping complex. Even hotel there inside. See, and envy this. My governor, investigate this now. So, me and all play my part. I will continue to play my part. This is BDP shopping complex. So, some individual broke into the estate. Inside, they broke into the complex, and they built this inside. Una sham, I don't play my part. Una do well. God bless all of una. My name is Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. God bless una.